So unanimously, by the way, out of 150 House reps, unanimously, they all voted in favor. I think there was one or two that didn't make that, were sick that day or whatever. They didn't make it. But everyone that was present voted in favor of it. Our 31 senators, 30 of them voted in favor. That's everybody. Republican, Democrat, it doesn't matter. A tree can fall on anybody's house. An accident can happen to anybody. This is a bipartisan, the right thing to do, right? And so it got passed, and you need to share it with your family, with your neighbors, with your friends. Many insurance companies try to reach everything that the vehicle needs, everything that your home may need, but some don't, you know? And some within the same entity, within the same organization, may be doing their work better than others within the same entity. So it's not necessarily a bad culture. It's just that they're very huge. These companies are huge. They're national, right? And do they have the right people in place at the right time? Not always. That's where the appraisal clause comes in, and it's here to protect you, and you want to know about it because it's a real game changer, and it's very important to so many people's lives. Stay tuned, and we'll get into a little bit deeper in our next episode.